Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to discuss about how you may perform cookie or session-based authentication in vREST. So let's first talk about cookie-based authentication. vREST supports cookie-based authentication out of the box. vREST automatically stores the cookie information received from the response headers of the login request, and it sends the cookie information automatically for subsequent requests. You do not need to set the cookie header in the subsequent test cases. It is all automatically done. To use cookie-based authentication, simply add a separate test case for login API like this for your test application, and then provide your credentials to login in Request tab as required by your test application. Now if you execute this test case, then on successful login, vREST will store the cookie information automatically. Now you may write your other API test cases like this. vREST will automatically send the cookie information received from first test into subsequent test cases. It will behave similar to browser. So in this way you may perform cookie-based authentication. Now let's see the token-based authentication. In token-based authentication, you also need to create a login test case to acquire the session token. So just create a login test case like this for your test application and provide the credentials in Request tab as required by your test application. Now if you execute this test case, then on successful login, your test application returns the session token in API response. Then you may extract that token into a variable with the help of variable extractor tab, and then you may use that session token variable in subsequent test cases. Suppose your test application returns the session token as part of API response content. You may simply define the token variable like this. Here, token is the name of the variable and output.token is the JSON path expression to extract the value of token from the API response. You will need to replace the path expression according to your test application response. Now suppose your test application returns the session token in the response header. Then you may invoke the utility method getHeader like this. vREST provides this utility method by default. Now we are getting the value of this token from a response header xAuth token. You need to change the response header name according to your need. Now your token has been extracted from the response. You may use this token in subsequent requests as we use in any other variable. You may use this token variable in body parameters of subsequent test cases, or you may use this token variable in request header tab of subsequent test cases. This is how you may perform token-based authentication in vREST. To learn more about authentication, you may also visit our guide on authentication in vREST Cookbook.